Watch this video to learn how to play Bugle Boys, the last song in the Piano Adventures Primer lesson book. Today we are in the Piano Adventures lesson book and we are looking at the very last song in the book, which is called Bugle Boys. You will find this song on pages 70 and 71 of the primer book. Now this song has a beginning and an end that are similar, and then it has a middle part, lines 2 and 3, that are similar. So we're going to learn it in sections. We're going to start by learning lines 2 and 3. So if you look at this song, it is in C scale position. This is middle C right here, and that's where your right hand is going to be located. Your left hand is going to be 1 octave below. Now for line 2, the melody starts with C and you'll see that it skips. So it's C, E, and it does that again. And then it goes up to G and it plays G again. Then it repeats. It goes C, E, C, E, and this time you're going to hold your G long. Going on to line 3, we go back to the C, E, C, E, 2 Gs. And now we have this little ending. E, C, G, G, C. So we're only focusing on the melody right now, and I'm going to have you play this part with me. 1, 2, ready, begin. C, E, C, E, ta, ta, C, E. This time there will be 1 G for a long. Ta, ah, ah. Go back to 2 Gs. C, E, ta, ta. Then E, C, G, G, C, 2, 3, rest. If you want to, go ahead and pause the video and practice that again before moving on. Here, I'm going to show you how to add the left hand. So every time we start a new C, we're going to press down 1 and 5 in your left hand. That's C and G. So it's like this, and it's going to hold long. Here I go. C, E, C, E, ta, ah, ta, ah. Notice that left hand is staying down for the whole time. I only lift it when I get ready to play the next C. Ta, ta, E, C, G, G, ta, ah, ah, rest. Why don't you try it with me? 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, C, E, ta, ah, another G. E, C, E, a long G. Ah, ah. We're going back to 2 Gs here. Ta, ta. Now E, C, G, G, C. Go ahead and pause the video and practice that longer if you need to. I would like to now look at the first line. So the first line is doing a rhythm that we are going to play our C and G to. And I would like to practice this rhythm. So I'm going to clap it for you, and then I'm going to have you clap it with me. Here I go. Ta, ah, ah, ta, ah, ah, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, ah, ah. Can you clap it with me? 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ah, ah, ta, ah, ah, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, ah, ah. Good. Now that rhythm is going to be the exact same rhythm for the last line. Let's look at what happens in that first line. It's all left hand and it's 1 and 5. So the same notes we were playing for the accompaniment in lines 2 and 3. So let's try it. Ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, Good. So you can pause the video and practice that if you would like to. I'd like to look at the last line. So the difference in the last line is that the right hand plays the short ones and the ending. So the last line looks like this. You can play it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, Now right. Ta, rest, ta, Good. If you need to pause and practice either the first line or the last line, you can. I want to show you what happens at the very end. At the very end, we're going to be moving down the piano, and each time we're going to get a little quieter. So the way we just played it was here at middle C and just below. Now you're going to move both hands down to the next C and G and do it here. Should be a little quieter. And then you're going to move down again and do it here, quieter. So that is the ending to Bugle Boys, and now you know everything you need to know to play this song. Now that you've learned all the pieces to Bugle Boys, you're ready to practice it. Let's talk about how to do that. You should play it 3 to 5 times every day, and each time you play it, you're going to focus on something different. First, focus on playing the correct notes in the beginning. Then focus on playing the correct notes in lines 2 and 3. Then focus on playing the correct notes in the ending. Next, focus on correct dynamics, and finally, focus on that extended ending where you move down 2 times and get softer to the end. Good luck.